Hey guys, Adam Lazy Guy DIY, and we are back with another tool review as part of the Home Depot Prospective Tool Review. Today we're talking DeWALT Tough, all DeWALT tools, and we're going to kick this off with the Pro Organizer. It has 20 compartments, it's adjustable, and oh yeah, it's waterproof. But let's talk a little more on that here in a second. Next up, we have a kit here. It's a brushless drill and impact driver kit. It's part of the 20 volt max XR line. Like I said, because it's the XR, it's brushless. It's a tough kit. It's right below the Flex Volt line, which is a lot more power because you're getting 60 volts with those. But this is 20 volt, like I said, so it's actually pretty tough. It's got a couple great features, so we'll look into it here a little bit more. The DeWALT 20 Compartment Pro Organizer is a tough little case that's absolutely versatile. With a secure latch to close, you also get a watertight seal that'll keep your tools and small accessories dry. The inside is customizable to fit your equipment, and oh yeah, this Pro Organizer also snaps onto the full line of other DeWALT Pro Organizer storage products. If your shop is anything like mine, a little extra storage can go a long way in keeping your space organized. What you've really come to see though is the 20 volt max XR combo kit. Inside the bag you get the DCF 887 1/4 inch brushless impact driver, DCD 791 1/2 inch brushless drill driver, and a pair of 2 amp hour batteries plus a charger. The drill driver provides a serious power and runtime upgrade over previous brush models, so whether you're drilling pocket holes or actually cutting holes with a hole saw, you'll have plenty of juice to get the job done. For the real show, this is one of the most powerful compact impact drivers on the market. Running at over 3,200 RPMs, more than 1,800 pounds per inch of torque, and 3,800 impacts per minute, there are few jobs this impact driver can't handle. This is easily one of the most powerful drivers we've tested at Lazy Guy DIY. In the intro, I mentioned the Flex Volt line. If you throw on the 60 volt, 6 amp hour backwards compatible battery, you'll have enough juice to power these tools the entire workday. The Flex Volt line automatically adjusts to the 20 volt max XR line to give you optimized power and runtime. Now that you've checked out these tools, why don't you head on over to the website at lazyguydiy.com and check out the DeWALT Tough review. You can find all these products at your local Home Depot, but check them out here on my website. I should have all the links there. So everybody have a great day and look forward to the next batch of tool reviews.